Hey guys, it's Apple Female 215 here, and I'm here with my dog. Say hi, Tarmac. Hey. Say hi.
Hi guys, my name's Tarmac and I don't give two shits about your life.
Okay, so, that looks so creepy. Okay, so, well, you know, you probably don't know. So chess, great, yeah. Didn't sleep that well, whatever. Watch some movies, you know. Yeah, it's like the world's worst place, but my grandma is in a meeting, probably for an hour now. She's back! That quickly.
Seriously?
Hi, welcome
Hi.
back.
There's a rock show that's only $1 to get in.
Where?
Gyms, you know, like
I don't want to see it.
collecting rocks and stuff. Do you want to go?
That's boring.
Gwen, do you want to go? It's the 59th annual one.
No.
It's where they have all the different fossils and agates.